This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Imagine walking up to a transitional updated home in the heart of Norfolk. As you walk into the home, it offers bright natural light and gives you that warm charm feeling. Features include an open floor plan, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, first floor primary bedroom with private bath and walk-in closet, and so much more. Did I mention it's conveniently close to entertainment, interstates, bases, shopping, and more? Don't let this one slip past your fingertips. Get in just in time to make it your very own home sweet home. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300-1569.